You start a print with steep angles, and suddenly, sagging layers, drooping bridges, ugly surfaces, complete print failure. Most people immediately add supports, but what if you could print cleaner overhangs and bridges without wasting filament or cleanup time? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to tune your printer for better overhangs and perfect bridges. Welcome to our channel, Clone Print Lab, where we explain everything about 3D printing. Now let's start. 1. What are overhangs and bridges? An overhang is any part printed at an angle without full support underneath. A bridge is when filament prints across an empty gap. Both are difficult because the printer is trying to print, basically in midair. The main problem: hot filament is soft. Without proper cooling and tuning, gravity wins. 2. Why overhangs fail? Poor overhangs usually happen because of too much heat, bad cooling, printing too fast, and layer height too large. Symptoms include curled edges, drooping layers, rough undersides. The critical factor: cooling is everything for overhangs. The faster the filament solidifies, the cleaner the angle becomes. 3. Improving overhang performance. Step 1. Increase part cooling. For PLA, run cooling fans close to 100%. Better airflow dramatically improves overhang quality. Step 2. Lower print temperature. Too much heat keeps filament soft too long. Try lowering nozzle temperature by 5 to 10 degrees Celsius, but don't go too low or layer adhesion suffers. Step 4. Reduce layer height. Smaller layers create better support for the next layer. Example, 0.28 millimeters makes harder overhangs. 0.16 millimeters much cleaner. Step 5. Slow down outer walls, especially on difficult angles. Slower movement gives cooling more time to work. 4. Bridging explained. Bridging works differently. Instead of stacking layers, the printer stretches filament across open air. Good bridges need strong cooling, proper tension, and fast enough movement. This surprises many beginners. For bridges, too slow can actually make things worse because the filament droops before tension forms. 5. Best bridging settings. Recommended bridging tuning is increase fan speed, increase bridge speed slightly, and reduce bridge flow rate to 90 to 95%. Why lower flow? Less material equals lighter strands equals less sagging. Bridge direction matters. Long bridges fail easier. Rotate your model whenever possible to shorten bridge distance. This makes a huge difference. 6. Support settings that actually help. Sometimes supports are still necessary, but most people use way too many. Better approach: use tree supports, support painting, and support overhang threshold tuning. This reduces print time, material waste, and surface damage. Pro tip: want to test your printer properly? Print an overhang test tower and a bridge torture test. These instantly show cooling limits, overhang limits, and optimal settings. Every printer behaves differently. Perfect overhangs and bridges are mostly about cooling, temperature, speed, and layer height. Master these, and you'll print cleaner parts with fewer supports, less cleanup, and far better quality. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, Clone Print Lab.